Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Anand Kothari from Tech AK Nick. So Samsung rolled out another video about the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which was recalled earlier this year just because of some issues which were faced during the round of reviews. So they released another video on September 4th, and that is what we are going to talk about in this video. What's new in this cell phone? So let's talk about it. The new Galaxy have been launched in Korea on September 6th, and it will be out in UK, Germany and Singapore on September 18. Samsung haven't made any major changes in their software part or the specifications, but they have made some build changes which make their device more durable. So when you fold the cell phone, there are some gaps on the top and bottom of the cell phone which allow the dust particles to get into it, and that could destroy the moving parts, the hinge mechanism of the cell phone. So they improvise that by creating some caps which are placed on the top and the bottom of the cell phone, which covers that part and disallows any dust particles to get into it. This will make sure that the outer environment is not impacting the moving parts of the cell phone and then breaking them. So here comes the point of confusion. Last time when Samsung Galaxy Fold was released in the market and was given out for reviews, they had a polymer protective layer, and this layer was easily removable by fingernails. That's the reason why people tried to remove it off, and that damaged a lot of screens out there. And that was one of the main reasons why these phones were recalled, because people were thinking that this is a screen protector and they tried to peel it off, which was not the right thing to do, but they did it, and that happened and the phones were recalled. So this time Samsung made sure that the polymer protective layer is under the bezels so that people cannot get their fingernails out there and peel it off, because it creates a lot of issues. Once they peel it off, it will damage the screen, and it is meant to protect your screen. So please don't do that if you have a Samsung Galaxy Fold, or if you're planning to buy a Samsung Galaxy Fold. So if you think about it, it was some way or the other Samsung's fault, because they did not make it much obvious to the people that that screen is not supposed to be peeled off, because it's a protective layer, it's not your screen protector. So this time what they did is they extended the polymer protective layer under the bezels so that you cannot get your nails in there and peel it off. So yeah, that was one of the improvement which Samsung made on their screens. It is also said that Samsung added a new metal layer just to make their cell phone more durable, and with this improvement they also managed to make the gaps between the sides of this folding screen just a little bit smaller than what it was before. It might not be visible in this video, but you'll be able to see it if you have a closer look at the cell phone. So one of the visible problem, which is still a problem, is the crease which you see in the middle of the screen when you unfold the Galaxy Fold. And if you're planning to buy that cell phone, you might already know about it and you're okay with it by now. And I would say the crease is not at all visible when the backlight comes into the picture, so that's okay. The 5G ready Fold would be available in selective markets, and the one which is released in Korea, it's already 5G ready. So if you want to make this your next cell phone, go ahead and pre-order it, or you can wait for the Huawei Mate X, which is a foldable phone as well, or you can wait for the LG dual screen phone, which is a dual screen phone, not a folding screen phone, but at the same time it's one of the types. And if you learned something new today, do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. That will help me, that will motivate me at the same time, and I'll keep making videos like these. I have released another video like few days ago about the Apple's next big media event, which talks about what all products they are coming up with in this year and the next year. So go ahead and watch that too, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.